Hello you beautiful peeps, my name's Sean, welcome to my channel. Today we are out at this beautiful location. Did that make sense? Did any of that make sense? Hello, today we are out at this beautiful location. Better, right? Good. And we brought this one along. We were actually doing the tests for the 144, 001, EAT 14 and so on and so forth, but we brought this along to see what it would be like outside. This area has got a lot of smooth wood and smooth concrete, so we thought, let's check it out. So let's see how well this performs.
Is the WO Toys 284131 fast? Yes, ish. Can it drive on gravel? No. Is it durable? Can it take a beating? Oh my god, yes it can.
So, ladies and gents, let me tell you my opinion straight away. I did not expect this car to act as well as what it has done outside. It has been, quite frankly, brilliant. Especially over the wood. I expected with the gaps on the wood to cause the car to do the bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. Not at all. I am really, really impressed, because I've been sort of saying all the way along, buy this if you're going to use it indoors mostly. But why? Why use it just indoors when it's that good outside and it goes so fast? I absolutely love it. If you don't have one, make sure you get one. Links are in the description below. Have a great day today. Take care of yourselves. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.